Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into 3D block arts in Canva. So this is Canva PC version. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. So here you can click on apps feature and go to the AI powered. You can click it and try to find or search apps, or you can find it on this list. Voxel art. Turn your image into a 3D block art. This app easily turn your photo into unique and fun 3D block art with voxel art. So you can create stunning 3D art from your photos. So you can click this, use in a new design, for example with a whiteboard, and here you can import your project. Now you can choose your file. Let's start with this image. Creating voxel art from your image. Please wait, complex image may take a little longer. So this is the original picture, the cat, and this is the result. As you can see, this is the voxel art 3D block image generated by voxel art, and this is the original one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And support this button below. See you in the next video.